Hello guys, this is Nana and you're watching Talk Noah. Welcome back to another episode of my channel. Today I want to discuss some idioms and phrases. And idioms and phrases are too important when it comes to learning this language. Instead of using most of vocabulary, try to use idioms and phrases. In this video, I also want to revise my idioms and phrases, whatever I know. Okay, so let's start the video without wasting time. The first one is blessing in disguise. Blessing in disguise means something that seems bad at first but later turn out good. Means learning this language is a blessing in disguise for me. Next, break the ice. Break the ice means to start a conversation with someone. Third, hit the sack. What is the meaning of hit the sack? If you know this idiom, third one, so please comment down on comment box. Hit the sack means go to the bed. Instead of saying I'm going to the bed, hit the sack. I'm going to hit the sack. Next, under the weather. Under the weather. Definitely you heard this idiom before too. Under the weather. But still I want to share with you most of the time we forgot that word and idioms and phrases too. So under the weather means feeling sick, feeling ill. And today I feel little bit under the weather because I drank cold water in the morning and now I feel a little bit throat pain in my neck. So that you can say that today I'm feeling under the weather instead of saying I am ill. Piece of cake, something which is very easy. Like I can say that nowadays learning this language and teaching students is a piece of cake for me. Piece of cake. Burn the midnight oil. What is the meaning of burn the midnight oil? Now you have to go and comment down and comment down. What is the meaning of burn the midnight oil? To work or do study late at night. To work or do study late at night. Next. What is next? Guess it. Thousand of idioms and phrases. How can you guess it? Which one I know, which one I don't know? I know very basic ones. Sometimes I try to cover advanced at turn two. The next is in hot water. I'm in a hot water. Now you can guess it. I'm in a hot water. I need your help. Means I'm in a trouble. I need your help. Next, tenth one. Hit the nail on the head. I think yesterday I discussed with my students. Sorry, on Friday I discussed with my students to hit the nail on the head. Means say exact thing at the right time. Rahul Gandhi hit the nail on the head when CJP protesters start the protest. Got it? Next, cold feet. Whenever I try to connect with any YouTuber or English or trainer, so I feel cold feet. I feel cold feet means feeling nervous and shy, not shy to feeling nervous or afraid. Next, all ears. Whenever you listen anything, keep your all ears. Means whenever you listen any conversation video, anything, all ears, listen carefully. All ears, listen carefully. When pigs fly, something impossible. When pigs fly, something impossible. The 14th one, cry over spilt milk. Worry about something that cannot change. Cry over spilt milk. Something about something that cannot change. So my sister always cry over spilt milk. Means she's always thought about past that can't be changed. The ball is in your court. What is the meaning of this one? The ball is in your court means it's your decision. I told you about course detail. I told you about how to enroll. Now ball is in your court. The 16th one, cost an arm leg, very expensive. The mobile cost has the mobile is in a cost an arm leg, means very expensive. Action speak louder than words. What you do is more important than what you say. What you do is more important than what you say. Next, keep eye on, to take care of. Keep an eye on when your children are watching TV and mobile phones. So keep eye on to your student. On the top of the world, happy and elated. Now I feel top of the world, happy and elated. Go with the flow, accept. Be relaxed and accept situation rather trying it after over control it. Raise the bar, set a higher standard. Raise the bar, set a higher standard. The next is a big leap forward, great progress. The big leap forward, great progress. Learn the ropes. Learn the ropes means learn basic things. If you start any work, you have to learn the ropes. You have to learn the ropes first. Next, I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon to post this video on my YouTube channel. Guess it. What is the meaning of over the moon? Now you got my point. Means very happy and excited. I was extremely happy about getting the job. Means मैं बहुत खुश थी अपने job के बारे में. These are the idioms which I want to share in today's video. If you found this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.